Welcome everyone. I'm going to be making some stuffed mushrooms with shrimp and garlic. I'm going to get everything prepared and chopped up, and I'll show you the next clip. Okay, so I got all the stems out of the mushrooms now, and what I do is I dice some of those stems up and use those in the filling in the mushrooms. And I'll be back with the next stage. Okay, so just got the garlic peeled, and I'm going to chop up this garlic. And really the garlic and the shrimp take most of the time in this dish, but really overall it's simple and quick. So I'm going to chop this garlic up and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I got the garlic chopped up, and next step is to peel the shrimp, and they're already deveined, so I'm going to chop those up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the shrimp peeled and deveined and washed. I'm going to chop that up and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I have the shrimp finely chopped. I'm going to add it to the mushroom stems and the garlic, and I'm going to put a little olive oil in there and some dried sage and oregano, and I'm going to mix that up and show you the next step. Okay, so here's the mixture here. I did add a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. I also have the olive oil and the dried oregano and sage, a little black pepper, a little dash of seasoned salt, and just gonna mix it around here. Gonna mix it around and stuff the mushrooms, and I will be back with an update soon. Okay, so I'm back here and I have all the mushrooms stuffed, and I packed them pretty full. I'm gonna bake them at 350 for about 30 or 45 minutes, see how they look. But I just wanted to show you these before I popped them in the oven. And I only had about a scoopful or two of the mixture left over, so I can either put a few cracker crumbs in that and make a shrimp ball out of that and bake that, or put it in some soup. But I'll show you the finished stuffed mushrooms here in a second. Okay, so here's the stuffed mushrooms after about 45 minutes in the oven at about 350. They're looking really good, and I'm gonna put them on warm for about another 30 minutes, and or maybe a little bit before. Taste one, but they're looking really good. Right in the middle is this bonus feature of the cracker mushroom ball, and I'll show you a update soon. I'll taste one. Okay everyone, the hors d'oeuvres or stuffed mushrooms are done, and I have one cut right here. I'm going to take a bite. Absolutely excellent. Highly suggest it. There's the little cracker mushroom shrimp ball that I made. Kind of like a shrimp croquette or something. But thank you for watching so much, and hope you try this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and let me know your comments below on different hors d'oeuvres or different stuffed mushrooms that you've tried. Have a great one.